Hey guys, it's Danny here, and today I'm going to be dismantling this semi-hermetic compressor. This came off a 4x6 walk-in freezer, and there's a broken terminal on this semi-hermetic, so rather than trashing it, I thought I would make a video on what a semi-hermetic compressor looks like on the inside. Now, it's the first time I've ever done this, so I definitely don't know what to expect. So it's going to be new for you, hopefully you guys, and for myself. So let's get started. Now, I don't have one of those fancy drills, so taking out these bolts, I'm just going to use a ratchet just to loosen it, and then I'm going to use a drill bit with a ratchet end. So let's get started. I'm using the 1/2 inch first. The 1/2 inch socket on all these semi-hermetic bolts. So just loosen them up first, and then I'll need a drill. I'm going to start with the top. Some of these bolts can be pretty difficult to open. So let's do the top one first. Okay. Loosen those up. Then do the front end. Okay, all these are loose. Now it's the two top ones here. I forgot to do these two. They are on pretty tight. I'm gonna get the drill now. This makes everything faster. Now, I just cannot find the adapter. So that's why I'm doing this extension. So awfully hard to take off. Okay. Let's see if we can get a flat screwdriver. Hopefully I can just pry this open. Looking good. First thing I see are the reed valves. Here, I'll give you a close up from the top. So, As soon as I take off the cover, this is what I see. That's your reed valves, your suction and high side. And yeah, gonna take off the front now over here. Don't know if I need to take these 4 bolts off first before taking this out. We'll see. Don't think so. Maybe I do. Maybe we got a hammer. If this doesn't work, maybe I have to take out the... Oh, I don't. There you go. Okay, definitely have to take this off. God damn it! Maybe I should have. There we go. So yeah, definitely next time, take this off first before you take off these. I just put these 2 in just to hold this in place. And there we go. So that's that. And this is that. I'll take this out. Wow. Still doesn't come out. Maybe I have to take out this. I see a pin here in there, but well. God damn it. Don't know how to take this out. Okay, I'm gonna leave that for the time being. Next thing, might as well take this out. Because there we go. This is just the high side valve. Didn't really need it. Okay, so now I gave up on how to take this out, but I'm gonna go ahead and flip it around. Sorry about that. And do this side. First, gonna loosen up the ends. Much more bolts on this side. Oh. Won't sit still. Here, how about this? That better? Much better. Yeah, so I'm just gonna take out all these bolts. Some of these are worn out, so giving me a hard time. Just this one. There we go. Perfect. Holy shit! Look at this. The fuck? It's some greenish. Looks fucked up in here. Check this out. Maybe there was a reason why I put cardboard. Look at that. Some greenish, yellowish oil just poured out as soon as I took off the lid. The cap here. I'm gonna take these two bolts out. Hopefully that holds this end in place for something. Maybe I can take this out. As you can see, these windings are fucked up. Don't know what the fuck that is, but it's torn here. These are the terminals. This is the loose one, I believe. Yeah, this one here. So we're gonna see down here where it leads to it. And yeah, it's right here. I don't know if you guys can see. It's right here. I'm gonna flip the camera in just a minute and you guys can see more in detail of what it looks inside. So I'm gonna save that for a bit. But first I want to take off these two bolts. Let me turn this around a bit. Shit. Yeah, these windings are fucked up. Look at that. Why just come out? See if I could. Okay, guys. A better close up. See, guys. I'm not the best cameraman, but I'll try my best. So yeah, here are the windings. They're all over the place here. Definitely some burnt. Look at this. All this burnt here. Smells like ass. Okay, so let's take out those two bolts. I think these are 3/8. Here he is. Holy shit. Just broke something off. Just broke off the cap. There was this little tube that was installed. I have no idea what the fuck this is, but this was, I guess, holding this cap in place and not allowing me to take it out. But yeah, so it's off now. And this end is in the, just the other end of the crankshaft here. So, check this out. So as I'm, hold on a sec. Check this out. I'm gonna flip the screen and see. Look, check this out. As I'm trying to unscrew these bolts, this whole thing turns, and look what happens. So that's my suction and discharge. Up and down, up and down. That's cool. And here's the other end, the cap off. So as I turn this, let's go up and down, up here. So here's a better look on the inside. As you can see, all these burnt windings and whatnot. Here, all black and just not a pleasant sight. So I'm gonna try to take these two bolts out and we're gonna see what is behind it. There we go. Don't know what the fuck these two screws are doing here, but I'm gonna find out. Now what the fuck do I do? What is this gonna do to me? These windings are fucking brittle. Really don't know what else I can do, guys. Does that even come out? Son of a bitch. Okay, so here's, with some more light, exactly where the problem was. Right there. See this terminal? The one on top? Common start and run. And this terminal here to the far left. I don't know if you guys can see this. See a little wiggle? The winding came right off, causing tons of shit to burn. And the other two terminals, they're perfect. No movement whatsoever. And last one up here, that far one there, no movement. So yeah, this happens to compressors usually with age. The windings burn out and nothing you can do. Just get a new compressor. Just show you the other end once more before I pack it up. And here's the other end. And I don't know if you guys can see, but there's still lots of oil down there. See if I can move so you guys can see it. Yeah, there you guys go. And these are just the pieces I took off. The top part. And this was this end. I guess if you want, you call this the front. This little cap that went on here. And lastly, the back end. So there you guys go. That is what you get when you open up a semi-hermetic compressor. Interesting stuff.